Ever wanted to make a paper airplane that actually flies? I've got you covered. Grab a sheet of paper and follow along. First, fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold. Now, fold the top corners down to the center crease. Next, fold the top edges down to meet the bottom of those triangles. Fold the entire plane in half, then fold the wings down, leaving a small body in the center. Here's the secret sauce. Add a tiny fold at the back of each wing, angling slightly upward. This creates lift. Now give it a gentle throw and watch it soar. Who knew origami could be so fast and fun? Try it out and tag me in your best flights.